Hi, this is Subhasis Bhattacharya on behalf of Laser Power Infra Pvt Ltd. I am delighted to share the wonderful experience having experienced this remarkable solar power plant installed by KSL Cleantech Limited at our manufacturing unit at Dhulagarh, Polypark Unit 2. The solar plant installed in the Unit 2 of our factory is working remarkably well, and we are getting the desired results as committed by the company. I would like to thank KSL Cleantech Limited for their remarkable work at our manufacturing unit and wish them all success in their future endeavors. Thank you.